The air compressor parts solenoid valve 4628YQ0B12-1831558-4-1-B-J-108900451110 by APDA is designed for industrial compressors. Made of metal, it is suitable for gas with an ordinary temperature and pressure environment. This valve ensures safety and comes in standard specifications. It is compatible with part numbers 36842318, 39137492, 39476825 and intended for use with air compressor solenoid valve. The product is from China and comes with a 12-month warranty. It is packaged in original and ordinary packaging, perfect for industrial usage.